We begin here tonight with skyrocketing prices on everything from food to fuel.
A new report is worse than expected. Inflation is surging at the fastest pace in more than 40 years. The Labor Department's Consumer Price Index rising 8.6%, while it's just about everyone feeling the squeeze. CBS 2's Dick Brennan here with more on how it can be especially tough for people on fixed incomes. Dick?
Well, Christina Maurice, inflation, of course, is hitting all segments of the economy, but especially seniors. And for now, there are no easy answers as to how to get through this very difficult time.
Unbelievable. I am so lucky I can even afford to buy groceries.
Jennifer Contaxis has had it with higher prices and is ready to go elsewhere.
I can see things getting worse all around, and it's really the first time in more than 20 years I've thought about leaving the city.
And it's even tougher for senior citizens. What has it been like?
Outrageous.
78-year-old Lilia Hartsfield can't believe how much it costs at the grocery store.
I do some comparison shopping.
Lots of it, right?
Lots of comparison shopping.
Food prices saw the biggest jump since 1981. Milk is up almost 16%. Chicken costs 17% more, and eggs soared 32%. Meantime, record high gas prices are forcing some commuters to rethink their budget.
It's a lot of other things I can't do because I have to pay for gas.
The national average for gas is around $5 a gallon and could accelerate if bad weather disrupts offshore oil drilling.
It's not impossible that should we see a refinery snag or a major hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico, that we could see a national average hitting the $6 a gallon mark.
So what's the solution?
The Federal Reserve really needs to address this as quickly as possible.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger says the Federal Reserve is expected to once again raise interest rates next week, hoping it will ease price hikes. But the effect will likely take time.
Inflation touches every single American. But those who earn less, they feel the biggest brunt. The three categories of their lives where they spend the most money, which is shelter, food, and energy, those areas are rising.
Now, the experts say make sure you have a plan and stay on budget. Also, avoid credit cards. Also, do your best to comparison shop if you can, buy in bulk. But obviously, right now, Christina Maurice, there are no easy answers.
No, there aren't. Thank you, Dick.